How to change admin on Facebook page. Let's begin with the video. First, launch the Facebook app and make sure you are on the page you want to update. Then tap on the three horizontal lines icon at the top right corner. Now look at the top right corner and click on the gear icon. From here, scroll down to the audience and visibility section and select page setup. Likewise, select page access. Now if you are planning to replace an existing admin, here's what to do. Find the person you want to remove, then tap the three dots beside their name. From the menu, select remove from the page and enter your password to confirm the action. Moreover, to change the admin, click on the add new button beside the people with Facebook access. Then hit next and search for the name of the person you would like to give the admin access. Once you see their profile, select it. Lastly, turn on the toggle for all of this person to have full control and hit give access. Finally, confirm your Facebook password and you are done. The new admin will receive a notification, and once they accept, they will have full control of the page. And just like that, you now know how to change admin on Facebook page.